Hello guys, hello angels, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ceeceemua and welcome back. Today I from my last video I decided to start doing my videos like this. So I'm reviewing an eyeshadow palette, but I wanna start my intro like this, then I would fast forward through the video and I will tell you guys my final thoughts at the end of it. It's kind of just to like cut down on the time. Yeah, anyways, so I'm here to talk about this beautiful palette. This is a palette, well, yeah, this is a palette from Technic Cosmetics. So now I'm gonna fast forward through the videos and I will tell you guys my final thoughts. Okay, I don't know if you guys could see this. Well, yeah, I love it. Yeah, okay, it's just one palette, so it's beautiful. These are it's got four foils, so that's these ones here, right? Then two glitters and one shimmer, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 mattes. So you know what, I love it. Okay, I'm sorry, it seems like my channel is always like about some things that I love and things I pretty much love most of the time. But if it wasn't great, trust me, I am not that much of a brand noser. If it doesn't work for me, I will tell you it doesn't work. Anyways, so I started with this shade here, then I went to the shade here, then this one. I put this one on my on here, then I cut it, then I put this, then I put this, then I ended up putting this glitter on top of it. So what do you guys think of the look? Because in my opinion, I like it. Oh, the lashes I'm wearing is the lash Kitoko from Beauty Freak. These lashes are bomb, like they are the bomb the goodies. So you guys should check them out. They're on Instagram. It's called Shop Beauty Freak on Instagram. I might put their link down below if that makes it a lot easier. But yeah, their lashes are really nice. So but that aside, anyways, so then I ended up putting, okay, this palette is called sorry, it's called Invite Only by Technic Cosmetics. I don't think it's launched yet. My video, well, I shot this on Wednesday. I'm gonna put it up on Friday, so I think, yeah, by the time I'm putting it up, it should be, the palette should have launched. So I am on the PR list, so thank God. Thank goodness for that. Anyways, so and it's gonna be out and you guys should really check it out. I don't know how much it's going to be, but if it's anything from Technic, they're usually very much affordable, so you guys should definitely check them out. Definitely check them out. Anyways, I think I've always had problems with foils. I've always had problems with using foils, but these ones were quite easy to use. A bit crumbly, a bit crumbly, in my opinion. In my own opinion, is a bit crumbly, but as soon as you put it on and press it on, I think they are a lot more easier to apply using your fingers. I'm not trying to flip you guys, I'm sorry, I'm just trying to show you what I mean. So it's a lot easier to apply when you're using your fingers. But if you see, if I press, look at that, it goes further. So it's very reflective, very, very reflective. It kind of reminds me of the, oh sure, it kind of reminded me of the Huda Beauty new nude. I don't know if they were deliberately going for that, but, and if they weren't, well, it's a good dupe. So if you guys can afford that, you can now afford the new nude, you can always go for this, because this is really beautiful. The glitter is a pressed glitter, but I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, you can actually apply it on your lid like that. So, and it stays put, it doesn't fall everywhere. I don't know if I'm making sense. It kind of stays put, like when you put it on the lid. I did use a glitter primer, but I think I could have gotten away with putting it on the lid like that. So I don't know if it's particular to this particular glitter or if that's just glitter in general. But I do use other glitters, and I've always had to use glitter primer. But it doesn't fall around, so it looks nice, it's easy to use, and you know, I love it. I really do like it. So I would say you guys should definitely check them out. They're very much worth your money. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. And remember, keep living and keep doing you. Ciao.